Well, we got another package. Alright, let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have something from whatacountry. Feel free to check it out at whatacountry.you-know-what. Let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. And let's figure out how we can open this. We have a reinforcement insert, and we have a manifest. Let's see if this will help. Looks like the logo, whatacountry. Let's go ahead and we start off right on the top, no particular order. Identifying the Iraqi threat and how they fight. Paperback. So this looks like an informational pamphlet. It's dated September 1990. Update. How they fight. Interesting. Take a quick look here. Alright, we got a map of the region. Illustration there, and Department of the Army, and this varies from the September 1990 edition. So you can see it's a typical manual format, printing on both sides, but it's all reading in the same direction. It's a flip book, including up to the back cover, which has additions and modifications. 48 pages, not including the back cover. Pretty cool. Identifying the Iraqi threat and how they fight. So, given the time frame, you can research the history around that time. Let's continue. Let's see, it looks like we got some thin paper reinforcement here. Alright, what we got here? Alright, this is an AK47 cleaning kit in wrap. See if I can actually slide this rope piece off. The paper. Oh, so this will fit in the buttstock area. I can't quite get it open at the moment. Oh, there we go. So you can see how the latch mechanism is twist and lift. And now the contents themselves will need some working out. So, cleaning rod end. Feel a brush in there. Okay, so there's pretty much everything else. Got adjustment tool, pin punch, and the brush end. Let's go ahead and just leave those there for now. And continue with what else is in this packet. So we can see we have a lot of straps, because it is some sort of bandolier. This one is a 7.62mm NATO linked linked pouch. So you can see the markings there, 100 rounds, and the bandolier sling. Check out this one here. 2 of the 5.56mm Bandolier linked pouches. So you can see there's one there with its markings. I'm trying to get them to show beyond the folds. There you go. And the other one, similar. Alright, so should be one more item. Box away, wrapped in paper. Alright, so we got a AR-15, M16, M7 Bayonet with M8A1 Scabbard, and I believe this was supposed to be marked with some sort of labeling tape and number, which it is. Let's see how they've looped the lanyard around the knife itself. I am going to undo that. You can see there's some cleaning that can be done on the brass fittings, although this is rubberized there, but this one definitely has some interesting oxidation there, as well as underneath the snap. And this is pretty clean right here, the belt attachment. And get that free, pulling this out. Let's see, so there's your US M8A1, other markings. On the top there, 44, green sheath, the hard plastic material, knife itself, see that end, nice movement there, no tarnishing. Blade's in good shape. And marking wise, nothing there that I can see right off. On the end, I see US M7. And here I see, oh boy, DOG. Interesting. Okay, it could be DCG. I might be reading that wrong. Can you see that? I know that lighting is not ideal. Or to focus it. There you go. There's the profile of the letters. Alright, so let's work our way backwards. And my preferred method is this way. So we got the M7 Bayonet with M8A1 Scabbard. We have 2 of the 5.56mm Bandolier linked pouches. We have 1 of the 7.62mm Bandolier linked pouch. Oh, wow. Wait a minute. We have 2. Okay. Sorry. I didn't even read my own manifest correctly. Lot number is the same. So 2 of each. Even better. And we also had this AK47 cleaning kit in wrap with the string. And we started off with here. Everything rolls away with informational pamphlet identifying the Iraqi threat and how they fight in Paperback mode from 1990. This has been another delivery from Whatacountry. Feel free to check them out at whatacountry.youknowwhat, and they have a large variety of items. This has also been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out others on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on vintage milsurp tools and other expanded topics. We also do a series of book review media reviews, and we also do a series called Curios for the Curious, videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.